In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Outlook. If Outlook isn't showing your latest emails or things just seem a little delayed, refreshing it manually is a quick and simple way to get everything up to date. This can be helpful if you're expecting a message, if your inbox looks outdated, or if Outlook seems like it hasn't caught up yet with recent activity. To begin, open Outlook on your computer and wait for it to fully load. Give it a moment so the program is ready and all your folders and messages are visible. This helps make sure the refresh works properly once you start. Once Outlook is open, click on Mail. This takes you to the main email area, where you can view your inbox, sent messages, drafts, and any other mail folders you use. If Outlook opens somewhere else, like the calendar or contacts section, switching to Mail is important because you want to refresh your email content specifically. After that, look near the top of the Outlook window and click View. The View section contains different options for how your Outlook content is displayed and managed. It's also where you can access certain tools related to updating what you're seeing on screen. From there, click Sync, and Outlook will refresh. This tells the app to check for updates and pull in the latest changes, including any new incoming emails. In many cases, the refresh happens almost immediately, although it may take a few seconds depending on your internet connection or how much data Outlook needs to update. Once the sync is complete, take a quick look at your inbox to confirm that everything is current. If you were waiting for a specific email, this is a good time to check whether it has appeared. If not, you may want to wait a few more moments and try again, especially if your connection is slow. A helpful tip is to make sure Outlook is connected to the internet when you do this, since syncing won't work properly if the app is offline. If the refresh still doesn't seem to update your inbox, closing and reopening Outlook can sometimes help. That's all it takes to refresh Outlook. It's a simple process, but it can be very useful whenever your email needs a quick update.